Are you struggling with a cluttered garage? Tools scattered everywhere, sports gear piled up, and barely any space to park your car? It's time for a game changer. Introducing the Gladiator GearTrack Pack, the perfect solution to get your garage organized, efficient, and clutter-free. The Gladiator GearTrack Pack is a wall-mounted storage system designed to keep your gear off the floor and within easy reach. Whether you need to store tools, ladders, bicycles, garden equipment, or even extension cords, this system has you covered. Built for strength, flexibility, and ease of use, the GearTrack Pack is a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their garage space. Made with high-strength materials, the GearTrack system is built to support significant weight, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. This system includes a variety of hooks, baskets, and bins, allowing you to organize your gear exactly how you want it. Need to rearrange? No problem. The system is fully adjustable to suit your changing needs. Don't worry about complex setups. The GearTrack Pack comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation quick and simple. Just attach it to your wall, snap in the accessories, and start organizing. By using vertical wall space, the GearTrack system frees up valuable floor space, making your garage more functional and giving you more room to move. The powder-coated surface ensures protection against rust, moisture, and everyday wear, making it ideal for long-term use in garages, workshops, and sheds. Unlike traditional shelving or cabinets, the Gladiator GearTrack Pack offers a modular and expandable system. You can start small and add more GearTrack panels as your storage needs grow. Plus, it's fully compatible with Gladiator gear wall panels, giving you even greater flexibility and organization potential. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, a sports lover, or just someone who wants a clean and tidy garage, this system makes organizing easier than ever. So, why let clutter take over your garage? Upgrade to the Gladiator GearTrack Pack today and experience the ultimate in garage organization. Take control of your space and enjoy a smarter, more efficient storage system, because an organized garage means a more productive and stress-free life. If you're in the automotive glass repair industry, you know that removing rear-view mirror pads, sensors, and rain light housings can be a challenge. Struggling with stubborn adhesives can lead to wasted time, damage, and frustration. But what if there was a solution that made the process fast, safe, and effortless? Introducing Duobond RL-eez, the ultimate adhesive remover designed for professional glass technicians. Duobond RL-eez is a powerful, yet safe adhesive remover, specially formulated to detach rear-view mirror pads, rain sensors, and light housings from windshields without causing damage. Whether you're working in a high-paced workshop or handling delicate windshield repairs, RL-eez simplifies the process and ensures clean, hassle-free removal every time. RL-eez softens adhesive quickly, allowing for easy removal of components without scraping or excessive force. Unlike harsh solvents, RL-eez is formulated to be gentle, preventing damage to windshields, sensors, or mirror brackets. Just apply a few drops of RL-eez around the adhesive, wait a moment, and watch as the component lifts off effortlessly. RL-eez ensures that no sticky residue is left behind, making reinstallation smooth and professional. By reducing the effort and time needed for adhesive removal, RL-eez boosts efficiency for glass repair professionals. When it comes to windshield repairs and sensor removals, precision matters. Duobond RL-eez is trusted by professionals worldwide because it offers a safe, reliable, and effective solution for adhesive removal. No more struggling with blades or harsh chemicals. Just apply, wait, and remove with ease. If you're looking for a smarter, safer, and more efficient way to remove adhesives, Duobond RL-eez is the perfect tool for the job. Upgrade your workflow today and experience the next level of automotive glass repair efficiency. Are you tired of losing screws, bolts, and small parts while working on repairs or projects? Nothing is more frustrating than searching for a tiny fastener that rolled away. Introducing the magnetic foldable parts tray, the ultimate solution for keeping your workspace organized and efficient. The magnetic foldable parts tray is designed to securely hold metal parts in place, preventing them from rolling off your work surface. Whether you're a mechanic, electrician, or DIY enthusiast. This tray ensures that small components stay exactly where you need them. Equipped with a strong built-in magnet, this tray keeps nuts, bolts, screws, and metal tools from getting lost. The flexible, collapsible design makes it easy to store and perfect for mobile workstations. Made from high-quality silicone or rubber, the tray is resistant to oil, grease, and chemicals, ensuring long-lasting use. Ideal for automotive repairs, electronics work, and household projects, keeping parts secure in any work environment. Unlike traditional trays, this foldable design saves space while providing strong magnetic grip for small metal components. It's the perfect tool to keep your workspace tidy and prevent lost parts. Don't let small parts slow you down. Get the magnetic foldable parts tray today and experience better organization, efficiency, and productivity in your work. Struggling to lift, rotate, or position heavy wheels? Whether you're changing tires, painting brake calipers, or working on your suspension, handling wheels can be frustrating and physically demanding. But not anymore. Introducing the Wheel Monkey Wheel Roller, the ultimate wheel handling tool that makes your job easier, faster, and safer. The Wheel Monkey Wheel Roller is a must-have tool for mechanics, car enthusiasts, and DIYers. Designed to help you roll, rotate, and perfectly align wheels, it eliminates the hassle of heavy lifting and awkward positioning. Whether you're in a garage, workshop, or at the track, this tool helps you handle wheels with precision and ease. Featuring high-quality rollers, this tool allows you to rotate and adjust wheels effortlessly, making installation and removal a breeze. Made from strong, durable materials, the Wheel Monkey can support various wheel sizes and weights, ensuring reliability for all types of vehicles. Simply place the wheel onto the rollers, and you can move and align it with precision. No more struggling with heavy wheels. Whether you're painting calipers, adjusting wheel studs, or performing hub alignments, this tool keeps your wheels stable and maneuverable, making your job much easier. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Wheel Monkey is easy to transport and store, making it perfect for workshops, home garages, and mobile mechanics. Unlike traditional lifting methods, this tool saves time, prevents strain on your back and arms, and increases work efficiency. Whether you work on cars professionally or simply want an easier way to handle wheels in your garage, the Wheel Monkey Wheel Roller is the perfect solution. Stop struggling with heavy wheels. Upgrade to the Wheel Monkey Wheel Roller today and experience the next level of convenience and efficiency in wheel maintenance. Make your work smoother, faster, and safer. Get yours now. Is your garage, workshop, or job site cluttered with tools and gear? Do you spend too much time searching for the right tool instead of getting work done? It's time for a smarter, more efficient solution. Introducing Ryobi Link, the ultimate modular storage and organization system designed to keep your tools secure, accessible, and neatly organized, wherever you need them. The Ryobi Link system is a fully customizable tool storage solution that allows you to store, transport, and access your tools with ease. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or homeowner, this system helps you take control of your workspace by offering wall-mounted and portable storage options that work together seamlessly. The Ryobi Link wall rail system features heavy-duty mounting rails, along with interchangeable hooks, bins, and holders, giving you the freedom to organize tools, ladders, cords, and accessories exactly how you want. Built with high-strength polymer and steel reinforcement, Ryobi Link is designed to hold heavy tools and withstand daily use, ensuring long-lasting durability. The Ryobi Link mobile storage system includes stackable, interlocking toolboxes, crates, and organizers, allowing you to securely transport your tools to any job site or workspace. Featuring an IP65 rated seal, the Link toolboxes protect against dust, water, and harsh job site conditions, keeping your tools safe and in top condition. The system is easy to install and fully expandable, so you can start with a single rail and build out your perfect setup over time. Unlike standard shelving or toolboxes, Ryobi Link offers an all-in-one system that combines wall-mounted storage with mobile tool organization. Whether you're setting up a garage workspace, a mobile tool station, or a job site storage system, Ryobi Link provides the flexibility, strength, and efficiency you need. Ready to transform your workspace? Get Ryobi Link today and experience a smarter, more efficient way to store, organize, and transport your tools. Stay organized, work smarter, and get Link today. Looking for a powerful, reliable, and high-performance air impact wrench? Meet the Matco MT2612, the ultimate tool for automotive professionals and serious mechanics. Whether you're working in a shop or tackling tough jobs in your garage, this impact wrench delivers unmatched power, precision, and durability to handle any task with ease. The Matco MT2612 is a half-inch air impact wrench designed to provide exceptional torque, superior control, and long-lasting performance. Built for high-demand applications, it delivers power when you need it most, making it a must-have for professionals who demand the best from their tools. The Matco MT2612 delivers up to 1,300 ft-lbs of breakaway torque, allowing you to effortlessly loosen stubborn bolts and fasteners. Designed for comfort and control, this impact wrench features a lightweight composite housing, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The adjustable power settings let you control the torque output, providing greater precision for different tasks. Engineered for maximum power and durability, the twin hammer design ensures consistent and efficient performance on tough jobs. Despite its lightweight build, the MT2612 is built to last, offering exceptional durability for professional-grade performance. Unlike standard impact wrenches, the Matco MT2612 offers a perfect balance of power, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're a mechanic, technician, or automotive enthusiast, this tool gives you the strength and precision needed for the toughest jobs. Upgrade your toolkit with the Matco MT2612 Air Impact Wrench today. Experience unbeatable torque, effortless control, and professional-grade performance. Because when it comes to getting the job done, Matco delivers.